A communication plan ensures the right information reaches the right people at the right time through the right channel. What a plan defines for each stakeholder group, what the information they need, status, risks, decisions, requirements. When frequency, daily stand up, weekly report, monthly steering group, how channel, email, meeting, dashboard, demo, workshop, who produces and who consumes the communication, common communication channels. Workshops for collaborative discovery and decisions. One-to-one meetings for sensitive topics and senior stakeholders. Status reports for routine progress, often RAG, red, amber, green. Demos and show and tells for visible progress and feedback. Wiki, Confluence pages for reference documentation. Tone and style. Match the audience. Executives want headlines and decisions. Users want step-by-step detail. Be specific. Vague communication breeds distrust. Be honest, including bad news. It always surfaces eventually. Try this. For the stakeholder map from the previous lesson, draft a communication plan table covering at least 4 stakeholder groups. What, when, how, and who.